Hello, YouTube, the greatest website in the world. It is Malachi Music Man. This is going to be kind of a different video. It's just me sitting here talking, but I'm talking about a very interesting thing. Today, I'm going to tell you how that you can import your own sound effects into an app called iMovie, which comes standard with Apple products, Macs, iPhones, iPads. Now, iMovie itself has about, 50 free sound effects that you can use for your videos. But what if you use those effects and eventually you get tired of using the same ones? Well, that's where you can make your own, and it's really, really easy. You need the YouTube app installed on your phone, and you need to make sure that you have screen recording enabled on your control center, and you can do that in the control center settings on your iPhone or iPad or your Mac or whatever. What you can do is you can go onto YouTube, search the sound effect you want to record, and then you can browse the different videos that YouTube gives you. And once you find a video you like, and once you find a video that has a sound effect that sounds good, you can swipe down from the right side of your screen, if you have an iPhone, and it'll bring up the control center, and wherever you see screen recording, you can press that button, and when you see the button light up, you can pull the control center down, press play on the video, and just let it play through. Then when the video is done, bring up the control center again, turn screen recording off by pressing the button, and then after you do that, you should get a notification saying that your screen recorded video has been saved to your photo library. So then, what you can do, you can go into iMovie and go into that project you're working on, and wherever you want to put the sound effect, you can click on Insert Media. That's what it displays as on an iPhone. And you can select your albums, select all, and then the very first video you'll see is the video you just recorded, which is that sound effect. You'll want to hit the third button you see, which is, I forget, something as, like import as. I think it's import as. And once you press that, it'll bring up a pop-up window, and the very last button, right before the cancel button, is audio only. You'd want to click on that, and make sure you don't have any overlapping sound effects, otherwise it'll give you a pesky error message. But once you press audio only, it'll pretty much import the video as an audio track. And it'll just be like adding a sound effect to your video. It's a really cool thing you can do if you get tired of using the same sound effects for your videos all the time, and if you want something different. It's what I've been doing recently. And maybe, if I decide, you'll get to see what I mean. Well, not see it, hear it. Because I might be posting a couple videos of examples, I don't know. But I hope you find this tip handy. If you do, press that big fat like button. And yeah, love you. Bye.